I'm gonna show a little trick. This is the lifter block on the Sportster, the 89 Sportster, 86 to 890. But this will work for a lot of lifters. See this little clip in here? That's a binder clip, like a little paper binder clip. And you got to sharpen the ends, and you got to sharpen the ends of that binder clip so it sticks into that spring. And then you just put a little plastic thing so the lifter doesn't slide down when you're installing this. And that's important because you want to make sure that the hole in the front here, that hole right there, is lined up with the hole in the lifter itself. That's where the oil comes into the lifter. So it only goes in two ways, you know, because it's the wheel holds it in its position. But if it's slipped down, you can accidentally spin it and have it where the hole is in the back, and then it'll also be hard to install the lifter block. And, you know, that'll work on, you know, a lot of these with the different, I think the Evo Big Twins and stuff, and I guess other ones too. But having that little clip like that, that's a nice little trick. And it's not in there that tight. It's just in there just enough to hold that lifter up while you install that block so it doesn't slide down. I want to point something out. Usually it's kind of difficult to install these little clips. You got to press this down. There's like a spring in there, and then you slide the clip into place. Well, actually I had this tool that was now to hold it in my hand I'd have to put like some cloth around here because to make a handle. But what I did was I cut a little bit of a U shape in here, which fits over that tube in here. So when I take the clip, this clip right here, put it like over here, and I put a little grease, and I slide the clip in, pops right in. Makes it very easy to install these clips with this. All you need is a little piece of channel iron with a U shape. You cut into it that fits over the tube itself. And then when you push down a little bit, and you put the clip in here on an angle, it'd be from here down to here, and you slide it, and it goes right in there. Put a little grease on that, it goes right in. You don't need any kind of special tool, you can actually make it. So almost done with this. All right, she's all back together, runs fine, sounds pretty smooth and quiet up on the top end. I actually put a new carburetor gasket on it too. But thing is, just take your time, be meticulous. Better off taking your time and doing it right.